Kidra with WTI. This is the Wise Owl camping hammock. And this thing is pretty cool for a lot of reasons. First of all, it completely folds up into this tiny little pouch. This big, that's all. Super small pouch that it stays in. And you can carry it, pack it, put it anywhere. We actually have decided to put this in our like survival bags that we have. So that's been really nice. It just fits really nicely in there. Secondly, as you can see, it's super fast and easy to put together and assemble. I was able to do it with minimal instruction. So really love that part. That's always one of my favorite things. Next, it's like super comfy. You can see it's got this like really soft material and it's really comfy. It's really billowy and light and I love that. And it's just super comfy. It's a cool place to just chill. So right now I have it here on my front porch. Just gonna keep it here for a little while. In fact, it's a really, really great product and that's my point of view.